Alright guys, making a video here. This is 2011 Honda Pilot, doing an evaporator core, expansion valve to be precise. I kind of do a little bit of more explanation on here on how to do this job. Okay. I haven't found anything quite very detailed, so I want to explain something. First, remove this trim piece here, as you can see, and this one here. Then you keep the glove box closed. You remove the 8mm from here. Is two, one here, and they're actually bolts to this bracket. You can see this bracket here. It sits right under here like this, so that goes there, and the glove box bolts right there. And then when you remove it, it's a plastic here. It's meant to be cut off when you go to service the evaporator core. I already cut it off. I don't know where I throw it at. Well, it's right here. It will sit right there. So you cut it and throw that out. You don't need to put it back on. And then the glove box blower motor housing right here. It sits up kind of like this. It has a bolt going in right there, and there's another one in the middle here. Right there, that's three. There's four on the bottom. There's one over here on the bottom, four. And so it's total of 4 bolts. Actually, yeah, 4 bolts. And, no, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right there. So a total of 5 bolts. So now, it's an amp here. Technically, the way I found it, you don't have to take it off. This is the amp right here. I didn't have to take it off, but it's up to you. You can take it off and unplug one of the fresh air and recirculator plug right there, right here. You unplug that. I'm trying to hold my flashlight while I do this all at the same time. Then unplug the bolts. I mean the plug to the transistor. Unplug it. Then you're gonna have this here. Kind of get it pulled out. Then you're gonna have a couple of Phillips screws holding this. And that's what you have to take off. Once you take off, and we're going to be able to remove the cover to the evaporator core. And then we're going to go to under the hood. And remove it from the line connection right there. So right now what I need is a Phillips screwdriver. And we're going to go ahead and run all this thing out. That's the expansion valve. That's actually the piece I'm trying to change. No need to mess with the evaporator.
Please, confiscate them freeze. Take a people, no cheese. It's not the chick cause she tease you. Get the paper, bust the bills up. All I do is hit the billboard. This verse so sick.
I mean? Little by little. Both sides. Equally on both sides. Little by little. Burn them up very equally. Alright. Let's check and see the latch. Okay. See, all connected. Use a little brake fluid. I think I might have some grease on it that is causing it not to adhere to that body of the, because it's stuck pretty good on this side. So let's see. Get it stick again. Okay, sticks this time. Alright. Well, what I will actually want to do right now, I'm gonna hook up the vacuum line and go ahead and pull vacuum on it and make sure I don't have any leaks before I go ahead and put all this thing back on. Okay. Alright, we've been pulling this vacuum for about 15 minutes now, and you can see where we're at. So we're going I already closed these valves, and we will turn the machine off, and we'll come back after 5 to 10 minutes to see if the needle moved. That will let us know whether we have a leak. You can see where it's at. Alright. That's high side, right below 0. So we're gonna come back in a few minutes to see where we're at. If it checks out, then we're gonna recharge its system and we'll check for leaks again, and then I'll start installing everything I removed. You know our repair is complete. All right, it's been another 15 minutes. You come back, the high side is still at the spot. All right, so you see, they're all still the same spot. So we're gonna go ahead and recharge. All right, so as you can see, I've already charged it. Going back with it, already got the cover, the inner cover back on. Try to Have a successful repair here. Got the system. Got it at the right gauge. As you can see, it's filled up. The air is cooling. It's hot. I mean cold on the coastline and hot on the hot side. Last time it was quite the opposite because the expansion valve was not opening properly, so it was causing restriction, and I was having the high side line was cold and the cold side was hot. So now we're having a very good cold air going on here. I think we are gonna go ahead and put back the rest of the glove box. And the repair was a success. Woo! Yes. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. EJI Motoring Repairs.